Welcome. If you're tired of hearing notification sounds every time someone leaves a Discord voice channel, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable the user leave notification sound on the Discord app for PC, following the latest update. Let's get started and bring some peace and quiet to your Discord experience. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to them, there's a small gear icon. This is the User Settings button. Click on the gear icon to enter your settings menu. Once you're in User Settings, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all the options related to your Discord alerts and sounds. Now, in the Notifications section, you'll see a list of different sound options under the Sounds heading. These control the various notification noises you hear while using Discord. Find the option labeled User Leave. This is the sound that plays whenever someone leaves a voice channel you're in. To turn off this sound, simply toggle the switch next to User Leave so it's disabled. Once you do this, Discord will stop playing the notification sound every time a user leaves a voice channel. You can leave the other sounds enabled if you still want to be notified for other events, or you can customize them further to suit your preferences. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled the user leave notification sound on Discord. No more sudden pings or distractions when someone quietly exits a call. If you ever want to turn the sound back on, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch back. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Discord tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.